Here are 5 computer shortcuts I guarantee you didn't know, and these are going to save you lots of time and it's going to increase your productivity over the laptop 100%. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So number one, most people are using the copy and paste method the wrong way. So the right way to do it is that, so you realize that if you want to copy different items from different locations, you have to go and copy the items one after the other and go and paste them. That is the wrong way. It's wasting your time. That will show you the right method. Okay, assuming you want to copy the text and the picture and you are going to paste it on Word. Okay, so what you need to do is just copy the text that you want. I can go ahead and just press the Ctrl+C to copy. So you can copy more to add Ctrl+C again. And this image, I'm going to copy it. Ctrl+C. Right, so after copying the items, just go to Word or any other places you want to paste the items. Okay, so once you're here, don't press Ctrl+V. That's the mistake most people make, because that's going to paste only the last item you copied. Meanwhile, you copied multiple items from different locations and you want to paste them all here, right? So what we do is that press the Windows key plus V, and that's going to open the clipboard containing all the items that you copied. Okay, right, so I'm going to paste them one after the other. Let me paste the first lyrics, and I'm going to press the Windows plus V, and I'm going to paste the picture. Okay, right, and I'm going to press Ctrl+V. I think I copied 3 items, so I'm going to paste the last item, and that is it. You have all the items that you've copied. Okay, so the second shortcut is to take our screenshot on our desktop. Okay, so what we need to do is to press the Windows plus Shift plus S. Okay, this is going to open the 4 menu items on the top here. So we have the rectangular, other shapes, full screen. If you want to take the full screen, you can just click on this one. It's going to take the screenshot of the whole laptop's full screen, but I'm going to select the rectangular method. Okay, so once I select that one, I'm just going to draw the area that I want to take the screenshot. I think I want only this part. Okay, only this part is okay for me, and that is all. It has taken the screenshot, so that part of the screen is taking a screenshot and is saved here. So I can copy this picture and go and paste it in any location that I want. Okay, right. There's another way to take a screenshot of your screen without using an app, and that way is just full screen. It doesn't give the options like this one to capture part of the screen. Okay, so to do this, you have to just press the function key plus the Windows key plus the print screen. It is at the top right corner of your keyboard. I don't know where it's located in your laptop. So that way it has taken the screenshot of the whole laptop and is going to save it in the screenshots folder on your laptop. Okay, and this brings us to what we call the virtual desktop. So we're going to create the virtual desktop. This is useful if you're working on a lot of things. Then you can decide to create different desktop, handle different tasks for you to prevent the confusion. Okay, so to do this, so I want to create a different space to handle another task. Okay, so what I need to do is that I just have to press the Ctrl plus Windows plus D, and that's going to open a new and clean desktop for me to start working on a different project. Okay, to see all the desktops that you've created, make sure you're going to press the Windows key plus the Tabs key, and that's going to pull all the desktop at the top here. You see that we have the desktop 1, that is what I'm currently recording the video. So desktop 2 is clean. I've not added or I'm not working with it now, right? So if you want to transition or switch within the desktops, then you can press the Ctrl plus Windows plus the arrow keys. Okay, right, from left to right. I only have 2 desktops, so you can switch faster between them to handle your tasks. Okay, right, so I'm going back to the desktop I'm working with, and that is it, right. And let's move to the next shortcut that I guarantee you never knew about this one. And I beg you, don't let your boss know about this one, because it's going to save you from lots of problems. Okay, so assuming that your boss asks you to work on a certain project for him, and then along the way you want to entertain yourself a little, and you've gone on Netflix or YouTube to watch videos or any other thing, and then you immediately realize that your boss is about coming. So it will take you time to close all those ones before your boss will arrive and catch you. So to save this, what you need to do at that instant is just press the Windows key plus letter D, and it will bring you bam to the desktop. Clean. It's like you were not doing anything. Nothing is open here. You open nothing here, so nobody will know that you were at a certain place on the laptop. Okay, right. And this brings us to the final shortcut. Okay, so assuming you were working with your laptop, you just need to take a break to free yourself and come back, and then you want to lock your laptop. If not, maybe someone might take advantage or see whatever you're doing on the laptop, so you don't need to waste time. What you need to do is that you just have to come right here. You are going to press the Windows plus L key, and that's going to lock your screen. Right, so when you come, you can just simply enter your password and then bring it back to life. That is it. Alright, so that's it. So I hope this is going to help you to improve your productivity and how fast you handle your tasks on the laptop. Right, so hope to see you next time again, and goodbye.